welcome back to another video. This is going to be a short, quick one. I'm going to give a quick review of the Suede DND Performance Wheel. This is a wheel from DND. They're a smaller company, but their idea is to deliver racing parts at a better price than competing companies. I know a similar Sparko wheel compared to this one would go for around $250. So this is quite a bit cheaper, and I'll get into that a little bit later. I know I don't have a car yet, but I do have a wheel for a potential vehicle, hopefully to come. So let's get into things that I like about this wheel. There's a couple things that I would like to see improved a little bit. So this is just going to be my initial impressions. I haven't actually tested this on anything. I would put it in the G, but since it's a suede wheel, it will break down fast, so I don't see the point in it, and I'll just be waiting to put it in a different car. But original impressions is the build quality is very nice. There's no flex in the wheel. It's all a metal construction with a suede wrap around it. These points right here seem to be the three points seem to be very solid, because I know we've all seen David's video where his wheel actually comes apart in the car, and none of us want that happening when we're out on the track, so this seems to be a very good quality of a wheel. I like the attention to detail, especially at this price point, which I'll get into later, but we have like the diamond contrast stitching along with the embroidered look, which some wheels do have it, some don't. Now I really like this personal wheel is a breast cancer awareness wheel, so they will be sold out by this video, but this is the same as any other suede wheel that DND offers, and I really like it. It really pops. It'll be a good little piece to add to the car when we get it. But I don't know if you can see, it says 30 of 120, so only 120 of these were made, so it's really cool to get one of those. But as I said before, this is also the same wheel as the other suede wheels in their line. Now, it's not the deepest dish of wheel, but I think it's a 350 millimeter diameter, so that is a good size, and it's very comparable to any other wheels, which gives a good size for drifting and stuff like that. It could be used for performance, like on the track too. Like I said, the dish isn't as deep as some of the wheels. That could be a good thing, that could be a bad thing. One thing that DND is different than other companies is they don't offer a lot of different options. They only offer their one wheel in different colors, not different dubs, different widths like Sparko does. Now, they're able to do this because they keep the price down, or this keeps the price down on the wheels, which is a very good benefit. Like this wheel, I think only ran me about $130, which is very good compared to like a Sparko wheel, which is about twice as much, around $250 to $260, which I really enjoy, and a lot of other people. Why wouldn't you want a cheaper wheel? I mean, it doesn't make sense. The build quality is good, price is good. I like the suede feel. You will need gloves to run this wheel in order to so it doesn't break down within like 250 miles. Now their other wheels have their different stripe on the top. They will also still have this diamond stitching, which I think is a great touch. Looks really cool, and seems to be pretty durable, as I like to touch it right now. The packaging is fairly nice. It's nothing great, but it's nothing terrible either. You should get, with the breast cancer awareness one, you get a pink one. I think you do get a matching horn button according to what color wheel you get, which is nice. One thing that I would like to see improved though is the hardware that you get is just black. It'd be really cool to see a little color in there, to match this. I know this is a special edition, but the other colors to get matching hardware. Maybe they offer that, maybe they don't. I'm not sure, but that would have been cool to see on this one. Now hopefully this will be the wheel I learn on. It seems very good quality. I really like the dark brushed aluminum look. I don't think it's aluminum, it feels a little bit heavier than that. But so far this wheel looks like a great addition to any car, especially drift cars. As far as durability, I can press on it, try to twist it. There's no flex in the wheel, which is good to see in a wheel. Some wheels may have a little flex in them. So far from DND, I'm pretty impressed for what they can deliver for the price. I will get into another review after I've been testing it for a while and see how it holds up, but so far it's pretty nice, and I would definitely recommend it from what I've seen so far. DND also makes a lot of other products at the same reasonable price. I think I heard that they were just a couple of college students trying to make car parts at a better price than most interior car parts that get really expensive, like a Mamo shift knob's like $140, but a DND one's I want to say around 30 to 40. So their goal is to bring it at a reasonable price, and for that they should have a bigger market, which could be a good thing. So hopefully you've enjoyed it and taken a little bit away from my initial impressions and initial review of this DND steering wheel. Like I said, it's the suede wheel, breast cancer edition. I really enjoy it. I'm really impressed. Hope you guys can look, maybe pick one up. I'll leave a link of where I got it from. Make sure you like if this video is helpful and comment, and we'll see you on the next one.